Well, hello again. Thanks for joining Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. You know how sometimes you can't figure out what type of dessert you want to have, and you always want that good taste and that flavor that Grandma used to cook? Well, I'm always talking about Grandma, right? Well, today we're going to talk about making that original banana pudding. Now, not the one that you have the whipped cream and the baked whipped cream. I'm talking about the original banana pudding that our grandmas and great grandmas used to make. So right here, I mixed 1/3 3/4 of sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, a dash of salt, just a dash of salt, and I'm doing three batches at one time. I have my 6. You have to separate your eggs, your yolk from your egg white. So I have my 9 eggs because I'm doing 3 batches, and 2 cups of let me put my dashes off. 2 cups of, I like to get it real good. 2 cups of milk to 1 batch, so I need 6 cups of milk. As I mix it, I'm gonna put it in the pot. You see, you have to boil it. This is original banana pudding. You have to boil the pot in some water, because if you boil it straight on the fire, the flour and the sugar is going to stick to the bottom, and you're going to taste that burnt taste in your pudding. So you boil it like this until it gets thick, and I'll show you what it's like when it's thick. But I'm gonna slowly but surely add the eggs and the milk while it's boiling, and I'll get right back to you. Now you have to keep stirring, because if you don't, it's going to become clabbered and it won't be pourable. You won't be able to easily pour it as a pudding. Got to get my camera away from me, because if I don't, you have to keep stirring, because if you don't, slowly, it's not going to be able to be pourable, easily pourable. So is I crumble my cookies up for like I say, this is simple cooking with Braden Brand. This is the way I cook. This is not for the public, this is for my home. So gloves, I wear gloves from time to time, but right now I'm trying to wake cookies up, and you just crumble them up as the bottom layer. And then you wait for the, okay, so now I have my pudding. But here's what you have to do. You have to let it stand, because it's so hot, you can't pour it when it's hot. So when I take it out, because when I cook with a lot of sugar, I always add some lemon juice, so it won't be so sugary, but it still has that flavor. So I add the lemon juice to take away from the sugar, and they love it like this. They love it. Then the last thing I add is my vanilla extract. One, this is pure vanilla extract. Two caps, because you really want that flavor to stand out when you get ready to start pouring it. This is where your flavor come in at, your lemon and your vanilla extract. And then when I start pouring, then I'll come back and show you how I layer my banana pudding. My homemade banana pudding with simple cooking with Braden Brand. All I'm doing here is waiting for the thickener, the base, the pudding to get thick while it's cooling. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut my bananas up so that first I do my crumble and then I layer my bottom with sliced bananas. Some people like theirs with whipped cream. Whipped cream topping and bake in the oven. I don't. I like mine to chill in the refrigerator. Now these 2 extra pans is for Crystal and Artie, because they always want their own extra banana pudding. So, you know me, I have to make that extra banana pudding. I don't mind. They really are good kids, so you do what you do. And then you just wait for the chill. The chilled pudding. And you are ready. Hope I don't run out of cookies. I think I am, but I'll see. So that's what I do there. So I'll be back in the next set. Now I'm going to layer the pudding on the bananas. Yes, this is going to be so good. Oh my God, I can't wait to get the first bowl. But that's what I'm gonna do on this, and one for Crystal and one for Braden. And then I just layer my cookies on top. And I'm not gonna show you all of it, I'm just showing you a little bit. And I keep doing the same process until I'm complete and finished. I hope I don't run out of cookies, but I think I am. I always do, because I always eat a cookie here or there in between, and it just looks so good when I'm making it. I'll be so happy. Happy, 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 happy. And that's what I keep doing until I'm finished. And I'll show you the end result, okay? Alrighty, here is my banana pudding. My original banana pudding. That's Crystal and Artie's plate. And this is banana pudding for the family. Now, did you see how I made the original cooking, boiling under the water so that it won't stick to the bottom of the pot and scratch and starch? Well, that's what I'm talking about, original banana pudding. Now I can go sit down and have my entree, I can have my appetizer, and have my dessert. And if you would like to, come into my house and have simple cooking banana pudding with Braden Brand. I'll see you in the next round of simple cooking. And we're going to be cooking candied yams, that favorite side dish that we all love as a part of our main entrees. I'll see you later.